Peace and greetings. This is Amethyst Yah. I welcome you to this third eye, or what I like to call the first eye energy center yoga practice. This center helps us to see the unseen, to trust our intuition, to make clear decisions, to understand our dreams and our intuition. Let's go ahead and start by getting into a child's pose position. Bring your big toes together, knees wide to the mat, and send your hips all the way back to your heels. Extend the arms out in front of you and lower your chest to the ground. Your forehead is gently resting against your mat. Rock your head from side to side. We are now activating this first eye energy center. And then find some stillness, cleansing breath in. Breathe in deeply through the nose. Expand your belly. Hold for just a moment and exhale, release it out. And on your next inhale, rotate your hands over to the right of the mat, placing your left on top of your right. Inhale and exhale, release the body down. And slowly come through center and bring your hands over to the left of the mat, placing the right on top this time. Inhale, exhale, lower the body down to the mat, creating a nice stretch on your right side. Just breathe. And on your next inhale, bring the hands back to center. Exhale, slowly lift the body. Sitting back on your heels, coming into a thunderbolt. Begin some nice spine body rolls in either direction. Just feeling good in the body, activating our spine. And then let's rotate in the other direction. Take as big or as small rolls as you like. Remember to breathe as you move. Come back through center. Let's inhale the arms all the way up to the ceiling. Bring the palms together. Lower down in front of your third eye. Just take a moment to give honor to our insight, our clarity, our intuition, our wisdom, our discernment. We can see clearly in this moment. Inhale, raise the palms all the way up. Turn the palms out and exhale down. Interlace the fingers behind you if you choose and open up the chest to the sky. Maybe place your hands in the back of your lower hips, or maybe cross your arms if that feels good. Just send that third eye to the ceiling, to the sky. And gently release the palms. Come back into your tabletop. Tuck your toes and gently send your hips to your heels. Maybe rock from side to side, getting into this beautiful toe stretch. Just breathe here. Take a moment to feel your body. Come back into your tabletop with your toes tucked. Hover and lift the body for a moment. And then come into your downward dog or pyramid, sending your hips up and back, lengthening through the spine, neck, and shoulders. Inhale deeply here, cleansing breath, and exhale, release. Lift your right leg into the sky. Come into a three-legged dog. Bend the knee for just a moment and open up your chest. Inhale. And exhale, send that knee forward, coming into your warrior one. Lift the arms all the way up into the sky. Body is turned toward the front of the room. Send your palms together. Inhale and exhale down to that third eye, space of intuition. Breathe here. Inhale the arms all the way back up. Exhale, just send your head back for just a moment. Look up to the ceiling. Inhale, bring the head forward. Exhale, arms down to your side. Turn the body to your left, coming into warrior two. Send your gaze to your right fingertips. And let's move into peaceful warrior. Send your right arm up into the sky. Stretch. Come forward. Move into a side angle, this time with your left hand in the sky. And then rotate that hand all the way down to meet your mat. Turn the body to the right. Lift that right palm up into the sky. Pivot that toe. And exhale, bring both hands down to the mat. Maybe open up that right foot. Bring your left knee down. Come into your lizard pose. Lift the chest. Take a moment to breathe. Exhale, send your hips back for half split. So your right leg is straight, toes pointed up. Inhale and exhale, send that chest to your thigh. Notice your body in this position. Maybe use a pillow or bend the knee if you need to. Let's gently come forward, come back into lizard. Just take a moment to breathe and gently inch your right foot back to meet your left. Come into a child's pose, knees wide to the mat. Send that forehead down to the earth. If you like, you can rotate your palms all the way back to meet your feet. This allows us to fully activate that third eye against the mat. And gently begin to bring your palms to your face. Lift back up into your tabletop. We're going to repeat this sequence on the other side. Tuck your toes. Come into your downward facing dog. Hips are up and back. Breathe in. Let's come into our three-legged dog. Lift that left leg this time up into the ceiling. Bend that knee and open up your chest to the left. And slowly bring that left knee forward into warrior one. Lift the palms up into the sky. Bring the palms together and let's exhale down to our third eye once again. Body is still forward. Knee is bent in the front. Let's exhale and bring the palms up to the ceiling. Head goes back for a nice neck stretch. Inhale the head up and exhale your palms down to the side. Rotate your body to the right for warrior two. Gaze over your front fingers. And inhale, come into peaceful warrior. Stretch it back. Exhale, rotate forward. Bend that elbow. Come into your side angle. Right palm is in the ceiling. Slowly rotate that palm forward and all the way down. Twist the body to your left. Send your left hand up into the sky. Pivot your foot. And slowly come into your lizard on this side. Bring the chest forward. Send that right knee down to the earth. And then slowly come into your half split. Take a deep inhale here and exhale. Try to send your chest to your thigh. Slowly come out of it and inch that left leg back to meet your right. Come into a child's pose of choice. I'm going to bring my knees together this time. Still activating our third eye, placing it directly onto the earth. And just breathe. Slowly bring your palms forward. Come through your tabletop. Lower your hips to the earth for upward facing dog. Lift the chest for a moment. With your elbows in, slowly lower your body down to the earth. Let's come into a crocodile. Cross your arms. Place your forehead on your arms. Relax the legs. And again, let's just rock our head from side to side, activating the clarity we have within. Maybe you bend the knees and bring your feet up into the air, swaying your feet from side to side. Just giving your lower back a nice little massage here. Find stillness, relax the legs back down to the earth. Take any movements you need in this moment. And come all the way back up. Let's move onto our backs. Bring your knees into your chest. Hug your knees in for a moment. Your third eye is facing the ceiling, facing the sky. Breathe in. Open up the arms like a T. We're going to rotate the knees over to your right. Gaze is over your left shoulder. Breathe into this stretch. And on your next inhale, bring the knees back through center, and exhale, rotate them over to your left. Gaze goes toward your right or wherever feels good. Breathe into this stretch. Breathe in the intuition and trust you have for yourself. Bring your knees back up to center. Maybe come into a happy baby at this point. Grab the outside or the front of your feet. Send your knees to your shoulders. Just take a moment to widen the hips. To breathe in here. Take any movements you need that feels good to your body. I'm going to rock from side to side for just a moment. And then release the feet back down to the earth. Knees are still bent up into the air. We want to take our index finger and middle finger and bring it to your third eye for just a moment. Breathe in. And let's activate our intuition and our clarity in this moment. Begin some gentle tapping on this area in between your eyebrows. This tapping sensation helps to activate this energy portal of clarity, of imagination, of dreams. And slowly release the hands and release the body into our final pose, mummy or shavasana. Relax the arms down by your side, legs fall where they may, and just breathe into this moment. Let's take one deep cleansing breath together. Inhale deeply through the nose, expand your belly, open up your chest, hold for just a moment. And exhale out the mouth. Release it all to the earth, to the ground. And then whenever you're ready, let's slowly come onto your favorite side. Maybe bring your body into a fetal position. Just take a moment to settle yourself, to give thanks for this beautiful day, this beautiful practice, this moment to trust your intuition. And then whenever you're ready, let's just come into a nice, easy seat. Let's just gently inhale the arms all the way up to the sky. Bring your palms together. Exhale down to your third eye, your first eye. Know that you can see clearly, that the answers are within you. Your intuition is on point and functioning optimally. And then send them towards your heart as we give thanks and honor and praise for this day, this practice, for you showing up for yourself today. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love.